Hi, this is Brien Lundin, and you're watching Market 1 Minute. We're here today with Simon Ridgway of Radius Gold. Simon, you're renowned as a gold and silver explorer, but now you've got a real foothold in phosphate. Why phosphate?
It's a
Of all things.
it's a vital element that's needed. I mean, if you're going to have sustainable agriculture in the world, we need nutrients, and phosphate is one of those nutrients that is it's in great short supply. The soils all over Latin America are depleted in phosphates, and we have a deposit in Latin America that's sitting in a growing market. So it looks like a great opportunity.
On feeding a rapidly growing population and developing population, particularly in a lot of these developing countries.
Yeah, for many, many years that they've been growing in the agricultural belts of Latin America and not replacing the nutrients in the soil. The opportunity came to us without us looking for it. You know,
Right.
the president of...
Some of the best opportunities are like that,
seem to come that way, yeah. I mean, the president of Focus, David Cass, is he lived in Peru for many, many years and had contacts down there. And the owners of this deposit, they're basically infrastructure people. They own the port and the trucking companies that in the same region, and they contacted us and said, we got a phosphate deposit, would you like to look at it? I was like, phosphate? Sure, we'll take a look. I mean, we're opportunistic, The deposit we have, with any kind of bulk commodity, you need infrastructure. This deposit is located, within 30 kilometers of a port, sitting right at surface in a desert area, no social, environmental problems. It's right beside a large mine, a valley. They're producing 3.5 million tons a year phosphate from the same beds that we have on our deposit. So it's proven economically already. We walked into this situation that's kind of ideal.
Right. And Radius has a royalty now on
we had when we
deposit?
first negotiated the terms of the acquisition, we had like a 12-month period to drill the property and see if we wanted to get involved in it, and then we had the right to purchase 70%. We put the drill holes in and we wanted to advance that acquisition. So we negotiated a better deal to bring the purchase forward, but it took a lot longer to negotiate the terms of that than I thought. So during that negotiation period, Focus went short on funds. And until we made the acquisition, we couldn't get the funds in place to make it. So Radius kind of did a bridge loan. As this associated company couldn't really lend them money, so we just purchased a royalty on the phosphate deposit.
Radius Gold shareholders now have exposure as well to really a world-class phosphate deposit.
Exactly, as well as the other gold projects and silver projects that Radius is involved with.
Simon, it's an exciting blend of opportunities now for Radius shareholders. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for the invite, Brian.